Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss how to back up my Mac to an external hard drive. A hard drive failure, accidental deletion, or software issue can happen at any time. That's why creating regular backups is one of the smartest things you can do. First, connect your external hard drive to your Mac using a USB cable or using a C-type cable. For the best experience, make sure your drive has enough free storage space. Ideally, it should be at least twice the size of the data stored on your Mac. Once connected, your Mac should automatically recognize the drive. As you can see here, the drive is recognized by my Mac. Now, on the top here, click on Apple menu, then click on System Preferences. Now, under System Preferences, you can see here at the bottom Time Machine. Select the Time Machine. Then, you can see here, select Backup Disk. Just click on Select Backup Disk. Okay, and Time Machine is Apple's built-in backup tool that automatically saves copies of your files, apps, settings, and even your entire system. Now you can see here my hard drive. Just select it, then click on Use Disk. As you can see, I do not have much space on my hard disk. That side is showing that I have some important documents of my on this hard drive. That's why I'm not erasing it. In your case, if you have junk for files on your hard drive, clean it, and after cleaning it, again go on System Preferences, Time Machine, select Backup Disk, and then select your hard drive and then click on Use Disk, and the backup will start. It will take a few minutes to complete your backup, and the entire system will back up on your hard drive. Once the backup is finished, you will see the latest backup date displayed on the Time Machine setting. You can see on your Time Machine at the bottom of this backup automatically, you can see here the latest backed up time. This confirms that your Mac has been successfully backed up. From now on, whether the drive is connected, Time Machine will automatically create incremental backups without requiring any additional setup. Why Time Machine is useful? Time Machine does not just back up your files, it also allows you to restore deleted files, recover older versions of documents, transfer data to a new Mac, restore your entire system if something goes wrong. This makes it one of the most powerful and reliable backup solutions available for Mac users. And that's how to back up your Mac to an external hard drive. Setting up Time Machine only takes a few minutes, but it can save you from losing years of important data. Okay, and the one of the most important thing is you need a lot amount of GBs on your hard drive. Okay, so make your hard drive fully erased before connecting to your MacBook, and then back up your entire Mac system on your hard drive. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Mac tutorials. Thank you for watching.